Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear friends, how are you? I wish everybody is fine and practice the AutoCAD 2D basic tutorial. So today we are going to start how to create a drawing. For if you already practice all the basic tools, now you are ready to draw a drawing. So before you start a new drawing, what we have to do, we have to make layer first. So initially I already make some layer for the necessary layer for this drawing, like as. So at first, for civil engineer, they need to do some grid line. So I select the grid line first. I think everybody know about how to create a layer. If you don't know, you can go to my YouTube channel, then you can find there the layer tools introduction. There you can learn how to create a layer and how to use. So I select the grid line layer. Okay, I close it, and then after that I have to make a grid line. I make a circle. Normally we are making we want to show something, we just make a circle, then put the text here, example x1. Okay, I just rotate this one, rotate this small, I make it bigger, x1. Okay, x1. So I need to do the layer. CP, copy x1 3000, x2 6000, x3. I just make x-axis 3 grid line, and y-axis I just copy, CO copy. I just go outside, I make it rotate first. Move. I just do ortho. Okay. This y-axis, so y1. y1. I copy this one, copy 3000, 6000. Recent class number 7, we already learned how to change if I want to keep the same layer but I want to change some properties, how to do. So I didn't like this line type, so I just select all the line. I want to change the line type, just select. Okay, you see my line type is changed. If you think this dotted line is very near, you can change, you can go to properties, otherwise you can command LTS, line scale, LTS 20, you can make it 50 and bigger, LTS you can make it 15. So it's like that. So I already make the grid. Now I need to put column. So for the column, I select the column tool first, column layer. I select the column layer, then I make the rectangular. I need to do 300 by 300 column. Okay, my column is ready. I just move here, then I just copy, select. Okay, already copy. So my grid line and column is ready. I need to do what next? I need to do wall. So before I make a wall, I can make this all the layer. So I go to wall, I already make a wall layer, I make wall, line. Okay, line, line. Okay, I will make line. I can do two way. Normally the wall is 150, so I can click here, copy, select, come down 150. Then otherwise I can use offset tools. I click here offset, I set 150 thickness, then just click. You see, very fast. So that's why you have to know all the tools, what is the tools and what the use of the tools. Okay, you see I already make all the wall. So I want to make partition wall. I just click here. Okay, line. Why this sign is coming? Because here two layer is altogether simplest. That's why they want to know. You want to select line, which line, yellow line or this wall line. So I want to select wall line. Let's move. I want to go 75. Okay, CP copy. I want to go 150. Okay, these two line I want to copy, next column to column. Okay, then I want to make line again, line, move 75, because normally the wall is center of the column. That's why I am making center, all center to center. Okay, 50. Okay, my structure is ready, and now I need to identify all using single line. Okay, I make it this one, kitchen, KITCH, kitchen. Okay, I want to rotate, scale it, rotate. You see my alphabet is very big, so I CH characters. Properties, I go to properties, then I select 250. I see your alphabet now is small again. Then copy, you just go here, copy, come down, you change room 1, room 2, maybe this one, drawing, DRA, and drawing. Okay, so my identification already complete. The next step, I want to put door and windows. So the next layer, next layout, I don't want to see this grid line. I just want to see the kitchen wall column. That's so what I have to do, I just select the grid line, I lock the grid line first. Okay, then I copy. You can select all, you just copy, you move. What's the benefit of lock? If I lock the layer, that if I select also, that layer will be not copy or paste. That's why I lock the layer first. So you see now my column and wall only come here. After that, what I have to do, I have to install here door and windows. So if I door and windows, at the initial stage I already explain you about the block tools. Using the block tools, I already make here the door and windows, so I can insert from here. If you don't know about how to make a block, you can go my channel and check the block video about the block tools. You can see there. So I already make the door 1. So I want to install the door here. Okay, you see from the insert, the initial stage I already told my friends. So this if you make the block, you just save it until you can use any drawing. You just insert block there, click insert, then you can find there all the whatever block you already make. So I just move this one, move, I put here, I just rotate. Okay, that's very easy. Okay, rotate. Door swing, you can select up to you. You can show this way also. Normally is a door swing always beside the wall. That's why I show beside the wall. So if you want the same door opposite side, so I just select mirror and I click here, enter. You see the door already mirror. So I want to make here main door here. So I go to insert. I already make there the door, bigger door. So I can see here, you see, okay, my door already come. I just click move, I just go center, click. You see my door is here. Sorry, I just move little bit. It's not aligned with the original wall. Okay, move. So my mentor already installed. Now I have to do all the window only. So I go insert. I have the window there. I already make the window. Okay, so I just come down. Okay, my window is here. Move. Select, copy, and rotate, copy, okay, that's it. So you see already my layout is ready. My structural and arch layout already is ready. So I want to now I want to do the dimension, about how to I want to use all the dimension, the grid line dimension, all these things. So what I have to do, I already make the dimension layer. I just click the dimension, then after that I put here dimension. You see my dimension is ready. If you cannot see the arrow sign or you cannot see the text, your text is very small, you go annotation, then you dimension tools, dimension, you modify. After that you select all the thing. Previously I told one of my video, if you don't know about this, you just go my channel, you can find there the annotation tools. So you see the annotation tools, then you know how to change all these things, you will understand, and inshallah you can draw. So the same thing, continue, dimension continue. I put the grid line dimension, linear dimension command is linear. Okay, continue. Okay, this is the grid line. I want to measure the room also. The room is here, room is here. Okay, you see I already put all the dimension. So I want to put dimension here also. I want to put the dimension like as the window from to where. So what I have to do, I put the dimension again. I just make dimension continue. Okay, you see here little bit this dimension is little bit ugly. The arrow size is bigger, so I want to make it little bit smaller. I go properties ch, then the arrow sign I make it a little bit smaller, 150. Then text height also I just make it little bit smaller, 200. Okay, 150. Offset you want to see this line and this alphabet little bit gap, you can put here offset maybe 50. You see is little bit gap. So now you want to match all the dimensions like that. So you go properties tools, mesh tools, you select, click, you see your dimension change. So you see this a little bit problem, the gap between these two sides is a little bit offset. So I want to move. Okay, enter, center line, where is center? Okay, center. I say my dimension change again. So continue. I want to click, linear, continue meanings you already put one dimension. Now you want to start from the same dimension. So just go to dimension continue. Otherwise you can just put your command dco, then it will be dimension continue, dco dimension continue. Okay, sorry, D linear. Initially we start D linear, dimension linear. Okay, now D continue. Okay, you see I already draw the dimension, but this dimension is looking nice, this dimension is not looking nice, so I want to match all the dimensions. So I just go to match tools, I select one, then I select others, whatever I want I just select. Shit, this dimension I need to go outside. Okay, otherwise you can delete also, no need, because column is 300 by 300 is a basic, so no need to put the dimension for the columns. Match. Okay, so I just ignore the column dimension, later on I will change. I don't want to see the dimension for the column, I delete that. Dimension for the column 300. Okay, column dimension. So match command is ma, match command. Okay, you see my dimension already put. So my structural and architectural layout is ready. You can write here the what is the layout. You can click here, just write here. Okay, you can write first floor layout, 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 enter. You want to, sorry, this rotation, you want to make it smaller little bit, you go ch properties, text height, you change the text height 250, so your text will be here. Okay, a little bit bigger, 300. Okay, so your layout is ready. So this way you can draw a architectural and structural and architectural layout. Once your structural and architectural layout is complete, after that we will go to the next electrical and the plumbing drawing, and after that we will show you some section also, how to draw a section drawing for this. So I wish this drawing you can start drawing, you practice more and more, inshallah you can draw any kind of 2D drawing if you see my videos, inshallah. So see you in the next class, friends. Assalamu alaikum.